This is an old base, metal base for a lathe, and it's a metal lathe. And this was brought to us by a customer that want to convert it into a barbecue work area. So we're just going to put a big butcher block on here that we have in the shop. We're going to take off the top. There is a motor inside. We're going to take that off, and we're going to clean it up and most likely put a clear coat on it and maybe some wooden bases on the legs here. Look at that! Beautiful! This bottom unit for the barbecue outdoor area, we said we were gonna clear coat it, but it's probably better just to put an oil on it once in a while because it's gonna be outside and he has that rusty surface. This is for a guy that really loves old pickups with a patina look. This is the top for the outdoor barbecue area. that we just show you the metal cabinet. This was donated. It was an old restaurant kitchen table or butcher block that it's cracked and it has a little bit of an uneven. So we're just going to shave it off, probably less than 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch, and repair some of the crack and use it as a top for the butcher or for the barbecue area. Now we're done sanding on this butcher block that is going to be at the barbecue area. I'm just going to put some clear epoxy on the cracks. And the reason why we shaved off, it's this big crack here. But I do have to put some tape, otherwise the epoxy is going to disappear. That's just going to stop from coming out here, hopefully. And this time we're going to use clear because it's on the butcher block. We did put some epoxy here last night and it's been dried overnight. We're going to sand it off and then put a coat of wax on. And when we sand, the best sanding when we do epoxy, it's this net, the festooled net. It's like it gets a little sticky when you sand this off, and with the net you can clean it with an air pressure. I tried this. It's called walrus oil. It's all based on a plant. It's like a fruit. Shellac, I think it's called. Or to polish it. It's protected. It's like polishing your shoes. Same thing. Get shiny. Keeps the dirt away. Thanks for watching. And please hit that subscribe button. And now I'm really working this in.